Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have Eric here with me. Eric here won my Lunar Beauty contest.
I did.
Are you so excited?
And I'm so grateful, by the way, to have been flown out here alongside Kaylee, who's the other winner.
So basically what it is, I did a contest on Lunar Beauty. I chose 6 people that I thought did really cool, creative, avant-garde looks with my palette. Eric was one of them, Kaylee was one of them, and Kaylee won day 1 and Eric won day 2. And I wanted to fly them out to film with me. I just thought it'd be really fun to do any kind of video together, just to get to meet you guys. And you guys are so sweet. We went to dinner last night, and getting to know them was wonderful. And they're so amazing. And I just can't wait to see like how you flourish in your career. I'm very excited. Of course, I'm gonna leave his Instagram links like right here down below, and this in the Chi area right here. It's gonna be there. I thought it'd be really fun. Actually, you thought it would be really fun. Yes. It was his idea to recreate the look he did on my Instagram, the one that he won with, on my face. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too. And the best part is I used the Lunar Beauty palette, so I mean, not to plug it.
Shameless plug. Did you bring it with you? Like actually brought it?
Here.
Oh my god, you actually brought it
with
you like to travel with.
Because this is what you were gonna use.
I love your little like makeup container. Wait, why is this everything? Like you literally put it in like a little
pill containers.
This is probably so much of a cheaper alternative to
100%. Like I use an actual palette for clients, and then this is for me.
For you personally. I love that. Okay guys, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna recreate this look. I'm gonna post it like right here. As always, if you guys like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. Just cause you know it is what it is. You know, we're sickening the house.
We can start with primer, and I know you said you like the silk canvas.
I do like the primer.
I mean, why would
That's
I not
something I like to do. Here's
out.
your beauty blender for you. Oh, I love your little method. Just like little.
Just to tap on in. And so we're just gonna go over the nose.
Oh my god, this is so crazy. How's the lighting look? Do you live?
Yeah, you look stunning. Look at him.
I felt so bad when I was like, come without makeup on, because we might do a video where we're switching makeup routines, and now you're doing my makeup. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Usually is so fucking beat, bitch, to the fucking ground.
Oh my gosh, you're so kind. Honestly, I'm so kind of glad that I don't have to do my makeup now because I'm sweating.
I'm sorry, that's so fucking hot.
First of all, not your fault. It's LA,
a bitch, and 2, I have like my AC on blast, but the lights just get hot.
Oh yeah. If I would have had to do my makeup in this, everything would have like been melting the entire time, which would have been cute.
Oh my god, this is so fucking
I would have had to block your brow for that. We don't have glue stick. No glue stick. So we're just gonna do it
really make it
as like a regular eye. And if you look at the picture like on my profile, I didn't make the brow that much higher. It was really about getting the arch higher.
Sickening.
It's just
gonna
be about
what she won with.
Yes, that is what I won with. And your palette's literally what got me there. So I do my makeup from the forehead down. I like to do it like a page is loading or something like that. That's what I always compare it to. So we're gonna start off by making your forehead look disgustingly tanned. My forehead's the only place where I really break out bad, so I use Bye Bye Breakout by
on your forehead?
Yeah, just on the forehead, like to prime. I literally don't use this anywhere else.
No.
And by the way, I'm doing my exact makeup. Like I'm doing my shade of everything because he said it'd be funny if I made him extra tan.
Yeah,
I honestly think it'd be hilarious.
I live for a tan moment. Okay, honestly, that's so genius to use Bye Bye
the breakout. Just because literally my forehead's the one place that breaks out, and it actually is like a really safe formula by It Cosmetics. Yeah. Like it's supposed to be a concealer for breakouts.
I also have like a fucking hella bad pimple right there, so.
But we don't talk about her.
We don't talk about
She's
her.
not cute. We're just gonna pile that on.
Okay, got it.
Nice and brown. Like look how tan that is.
Oh,
you're gonna be as tan as me.
I mean, girl, that is tan.
We're gonna take a good chunk of that foundation, and I always roll it on the back of my hand.
Seeing other people do like things. Like,
yeah,
so
because I work
intriguing.
and do makeup so often.
Yes, I work at Sephora, by the way.
So used to like I do my own makeup as if I'm doing it sanitarily on anybody else. Like I don't like putting things from something straight on someone, so I always transfer it from one place to another. And I'm sure like your hand has a little bacteria, but it's different. Like your face has oils that your hand.
It's way different than fucking dipping right into like.
See, look at that, already a little bit better.
That's already better. So where are you from, Eric?
I am from the DFW. I live in Arlington, Texas, and I work at a Sephora.
Which Sephora do you work at?
I work at Sephora in the Parks Mall in Arlington. And
Sephora.
It is literally like my little home that like taught me like how to love makeup and the ways to like take makeup like into another world. But then becoming a makeup artist, I kind of learned a lot on my own.
Totally.
Like the things that I love to do. Like, you know, you worked at a Sephora.
Yeah.
It gives you like a lot of tools, but it's up to you to like take those tools outside of work. Actually, oh my god. So we're just gonna get powder all over him today.
It's fine.
And I'm using the Patrick Star under eye powder, his little baking powder.
Good.
It's like my favorite powder.
It's so good.
Because it is so nice and mattifying for the forehead. I actually feel like this is like one of those powders that like doesn't.
It already looks like so much better. Like it doesn't look like it's so brown.
See, I told you. It's about going super extreme and then kind of toning it down a little bit.
Yes.
And I'm actually gonna use my brow pencil on you. And it is Benefit's new 3.5.
They have new shades?
Yeah, they have half shades now. Yeah, Benefit's stepping it
up. Oh my god, they stepped their pussy up. I had no
100%.
idea.
Yeah, Benefit makes the shade 3.5 now, which is like between the 3 and the 4, which is like perfect. And they made a 4.5. I think those are the only 2 new actual shades.
Got it.
So we are back, you guys, and I primed both eyes. eyes, and I did the eyebrows slightly different because we didn't have a glue stick, so I was just like, well, then I'll make this eye as feathery as like I made my drag brow, and then I did this one just regular, full, fluffy, very much like along his aesthetic. Like,
I
nice
love
little
this
Manny
brow.
If I ever move out here, I mean, not to just like plug myself shamelessly, but I'm gonna plug myself shamelessly. If you ever wanted a makeup artist for your brand, that's my dream. Like,
bitch,
I was telling you, being a celebrity makeup artist, but like the first thing I wanted to do was to do makeup for brands. Like,
dude, that's literally when
I
out
pick
here,
palettes, like even though they did me wrong, this palette is actually everything. Like, I abused the shit out of this. We love a controversial queen. Then this NARS palette, like,
is this the Wanted palette?
Yes, Wanted 2.
Bitch, I live for Wanted.
I did
a sponsorship with this one specifically, and the reason I did it is because I like the palette so much. Because I'm very weird about my sponsorship. I'm like, bitch, if I don't like it, I'm not gonna do it.
I'm weird about palettes. I'm a picky bitch.
Yes, no,
I'm someone really hard to satisfy.
No, literally same.
Do you know this palette?
Something subtle.
This is Life's a Drag. It's my favorite natural neutral every single day smoky eye kind of palette.
Literally.
And then it's also when I want to paint my pussy pink.
Yes! Pussy poppin' pink.
For the neutral eye, I literally took the shade Trade and I just packed that all over the lid. So that's what we're just gonna go in and...
I love me some Trade.
I love a Trade.
I love a Trade.
Because I'm bigger, I think people immediately assume that I'm not gonna be picky. I'm so picky.
Oh, bitch.
Like, don't even...
you just have to be picky.
Don't even, like, try. I am literally gonna shut you down so fast.
Oh, I love that so much. I'm also very extremely picky.
Oh yeah, you have to be. In your world, like when you're successful and you do what you do, I was like, there's no chance you could just settle.
Even when I wasn't quote unquote successful, I was never a settle kind of dude. I was very picky since the beginning.
Yeah. Who cares? If you're successful or if you're not successful, be picky. Be that picky
honestly,
girl.
like, because the thing is, like, okay, this is the gag. Like, if you like find someone just like for the fuck of it because you're lonely, you're never gonna be happy with that person. Like, you need to really like satisfy what you truly want to be satisfied, which is like actually like the communication, the attraction. There's so many different things that you really need to be able to do.
I know too many people who like focus on their men so like far too much and just completely ignored themselves.
Absolutely. It's so important to be able to like focus on yourself and focus on your goals and your dreams. Like, you can be dating someone but you never know like how that's gonna end. You should really like focus on like your path and your career for your future and see like where that goes.
These are Manny's life lessons.
Literally
with Manny
tips
MUA.
with MannyMua. Ooh, I love that color so much.
That's my everyday smoky eye. I told you when you did this color, this became like my super everyday.
I love this color.
And I blow my shadows out to my brows always.
Doesn't this look sickening?
It's because you look sickening.
T.
Everyone has such a different eye shape, even by the softest, subtlest, like smallest like change. So like when I look at eye shapes, I'm always like you have a hooded eye, but yours is more rounded, but it's like mine where it gets a little heavier on the outside, which is unfair. Like, what did we do?
It's unfair.
What did we do to deserve that?
It's unfair.
So I think we're gonna.
Do you want kids
for a little bit? 100%. I want a legion of girls.
Yeah, I want girls too. Actually, I want a boy and a girl, but I want a girl for sure first.
People think it's ridiculous to like have like such like a goal with like my children, but I was like, I just want a ton of girls. Like, I just want daughters. Yes, I really want almost like a volleyball team size of like just girls.
Oh my fuck.
I know. I'm totally kidding.
Oh wait.
I want 3.
Are you thinking like 6? Okay, I was thinking like on the court at the time is 6, but a squad is like 15.
Yeah, like 15
that
girls.
makes more sense.
I want the A team. I want 18 girls.
You want? Yeah, no, absolutely. I was a starter in high school, so there's.
I was a starting left tackle in high school.
No,
I know. Throwback. I told you I played football.
Wait. So what was it like? Is that the position? That's what's called left tackle?
Yeah, left tackle. So on the starting line, you have your centers, and then you have your guards, your right and left guard, and then you have your right and left tackle. And in our team, the plays we loved the most was the left-hand side plays. Like, those are the ones we played the best. So our left tackle was like one of the most important positions to have.
And you were that?
Yeah, I was her. I was she.
You were her. Ew, oh my god.
So part of me pretended to be obsessed with it, but really I was obsessed with the boys.
Absolutely. Are you kidding me?
How do you not like play football, be gay secretly, and like think to yourself like, wow?
Did you guys like take showers together and shit?
Oh, I was scared to take a shower in front of them.
No, I would die.
I was scared that I was gonna react in a way that would be irrevocable. They would forever know me as like
the bitch I got a boner.
Yeah, the bitch I got a boner in the locker room shower. So like I used to just wait till like all the boys would be gone, and then I'd run inside and I'd rinse my body off, and then I'd jet. I'd be like, okay, bye.
Okay, literally, like, that's such a fantasy, though, like, the locker room
100%,
fantasy.
excuse
for, like,
me,
but... For, like, a gay, like, a locker room fantasy is everything.
A locker room fantasy is your whole life.
That I live for, and I also live for, like, a fraternity fantasy.
Oh, 100%. Are you starting to see, like, where this whole fantasy came alive from?
Yes,
like, now that it's on your eyes.
Now I'm like, oh,
before
this is
all the
literally
cut
the
creases,
look.
yeah, literally, I was like, this was me packing, and you would think, like, there's so many colors in the look that aren't directly from the palette, clearly, but now that you watch them, like, blend all together, you're like, oh, duh.
Like, oh, that makes more sense.
Where did that green come from? Well, here's
Right.
it's super blue.
Well, the thing is, that's also why I didn't put orange and I didn't put green in it, is because you can make them with the colors if you mix them, you know, color theory wise. So I'm like,
This blue, by the way, is iconic.
Thank you.
Like the most blendable, the easiest to work with. Like
that's why it's shimmery.
Yeah.
Royal blue, that's not shimmery, that's matte, is very hard to blend.
Oh, 100%. I was going to say, it's hard to, first off, it's hard to formulate. I've seen the way formulations work. And like when you include binders in the way you formulate, like the binders can make or break the eyeshadow.
Yeah.
You use too many and there's like a lack of pigment. You use too much pigment and the lack of binding, and then subculture happens. Can't ever shut up when I'm grateful. Like,
oh,
when
you're so sweet.
When people do massively kind things, like, I cannot shut up about how grateful I am.
My mom, I feel like that's like a really good trait though.
We grew up like not having much, like for sure. You kind of just grow into this like style of gratitude. And my mom was someone who was like, she would pay you back in any way she could, like in spades. So when you started doing your pictures, it was like just like selfies, right? It was just like tons of stuff.
Oh yeah, just selfies.
I'd always done like photography, and I had ways to connect my computer to my camera. It's like back when it was like 2013. I was like just freshly 18.
Yeah.
Missed that age, missed that number. I was always taking selfies on my camera of myself, and then God, getting into makeup for the first like while, like that's all it was about me setting up my camera and feeling pretty.
We are getting there. That's like literally like it's your look.
Yeah.
Like
it's so cool. When I was thinking about it, I was like, I don't know if he's gonna go for this, because I was like,
no, I love
what
that
if he just wants us to like get it ready and like talk and all that fun stuff?
I love it. Like this is such a fun idea.
Okay, so I'm gonna take.
So now we're doing foundation.
Yep, I'm gonna take my lightest.
Oh, the lightest girl he has. Oh my god, I'm dark.
All the way to mine. I told you I'm giving you my fantasy.
True, you're right.
I'm giving you my foundation color fantasy. That's why we started with my forehead.
Duh, yeah. And honestly, it's like really not that drastic. Like,
no, so I did prime him. However, I don't usually prime, so we're just gonna pretend I didn't prime him.
We use Touch on Me because I love the silk canvas. It's good for people that are very porous. If you're not porous and you don't have a lot of fucking pores, like you have like nice ass skin, you don't even fucking need that shit. But I do.
I don't know if you do this, but I use like 5 shades for foundation.
Do you?
No, I told you I'm a cream girl. Like I like mixing.
You are a cream girl, like clearly.
I was like, I'm very like everything I do.
And this is the Makeup Forever sticks.
Yeah, the sticks.
I love the Makeup Forever sticks. Do you want to do any shout outs to any of your friends?
Oh my gosh.
They're like, bitch, what's up? I'm here.
Hey Jessie, hey Brittany, hey Zelda, hey Izzy, hey Lee.
Oh
so
my
many
god.
girls like back at home that I just like
that watch makeup.
Yeah, those are like directly like some of my best friends. Hey Lupe, she actually just moved out to LA for acting actually, which is crazy because I was asking you if you were to venture off into anything brand new to you, what would you do? And you said acting. Yeah, that's what she came here for. I mean,
that's so awesome.
She'd always wanted to be an actress, and she is out here now making it happen, and she has such an inspiring story too.
That's so awesome.
She's super cool.
I just feel like it'd be like a fun thing to do. Like it's just like another part of my adventure, like just doing a little, I don't know, just acting here and there. Like why the fuck not? Ooh.
That's a true moment. I'm gonna
there we go.
Like a nice little
yeah, that's really cool. Like as long as we cover up my neck. Oh, it's my shade. Look. And you see my arm.
Now that's the MannyMua I know.
That's fucking right.
I actually usually do super neutral under eyes. Like that's like my gig. But for this, I know I did a super bright under eye. I was trying not to play with the girls.
I'm trying to feel my fantasy.
I sort of got foundation's what makes the whole thing come together.
It does, absolutely, and lashes.
Yeah, lashes for sure. So this is
Laura Mercier, got it.
Candle glow powder. If you don't use this already to set your makeup, this is why I always look radiant. All my makeup artist friends, I always get them onto this powder because I'm like, this keeps, like, it sets your makeup fully, but it gives your skin like this luminosity.
Yeah. Oh, bitch, I can tell like.
And I use the shade 3, which is so my shade now. Like now that I'm self-tanning all the time and all that stuff, I knew it was gonna be super dark on you. When I'm telling you, I have like a whole weird gig with my makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of my foundation.
Oh, I'm so excited. Like
I love the way my foundation looks always.
Your foundation last night when we went to dinner looked fucking incredible. So if that's what mine's gonna look like, this is literally like I've never been so bronzy in my entire life. I don't think.
This is super dark on you.
Absolutely.
But it looks so stunning.
It looks gorge. Like I'm not gonna lie.
I used to be so fair, so when people like haven't seen me in a while and come back to Sephora, they're like, "You got real tan. Like, have you been out on vacation?" I was like, "Oh no, like, no, I just like to lie to myself."
Yeah, absolutely.
Just like a man during a divorce, I just lie to myself.
Oh.
So what happened with all those like PayPal refunds? I saw.
Oh yeah. So basically, what happened was people you have to like claim your money, right? So, If you guys didn't,
I saw that you guys didn't have email set up with the account or something along those lines. So it was being like declined and sent back.
Right. So what happened basically was like we did have it set up correctly, and we had PayPal send us like the money. Like we got like the majority of it. It wasn't like all the PayPal orders or anything like that, but it was super annoying.
God, Drama Channel like really
they make it seem like so intense.
Yeah. Yes. Because when I was watching the video about it, I was watching them and they literally made it sound like you guys lost like. They probably lost tens of thousands of dollars.
Yeah, no, that wasn't like anything that crazy.
This is getting industrial, ladies.
Literally, this is like a moment.
I want to know something crazy. So this look I tried doing 5 different times.
You're kidding.
5 different times. The first time was a mock, and I didn't like the way it was turning out at the beginning, which is why I told you like the day I actually posted it was like the last ditch effort. Like it was like my final, like if I don't get it this time, I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it. Yeah, got it.
I was literally just had the hardest time making it happen. I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I had it all in my head.
Yeah, like you had the vision. It's like it's crazy. Like literally looks like drips.
It's so crazy that I won this contest with this look and now it gets to sit on your cheeks.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. Your work. This is your work.
We're getting closer to the full
Yes, we
fantasy.
are.
God, do I really go about this ham on myself? 100%.
You're like, you definitely do. Well, I mean, you're also like a lot more tan than me, so this looks like different on you than just on
so
me.
Right.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go in with
some highlighter.
Just some highlighter.
Yeah, something casual. Do you live?
Oh my God! Literally, you were turned just like this, and I was like, I turned to the camera and I was like, wow, cute.
I love it.
We promised the girls a fantasy, didn't we?
We sure did. I think it looks fantastic.
I can show you my everyday lip. I'll do my everyday lip on you too, which I'm so boring. I just do gloss. I overline my lips like to Jesus Christ.
Perfect. I literally overline like a motherfucker, so it's
and then
perfect.
A gloss. Okay, so these are lashes by an incredible woman named Daniela Bell, and these are her style, Melissa's, which were the first pair I actually like begged her for. You can use code ERIC20 for 20% off.
There we go.
I know. I have like a code for something.
I love it.
I was like, you're like the queen of codes, but I was like, I don't have any.
Absolutely. I'm a code girl. I would rather do codes and use brands like that I continuously use all the time than do like sponsorships.
Exactly. Oh my God, that left eye looks so kind.
It's gorgeous. Trade is everything.
Just a little fun fact. I'm lining MannyMua's lips, you guys.
Oh my God. And this is like something like I do every time I do my makeup. I line my lips.
You love like
I love an overdraw.
Yeah, you love a chunky lip liner. That's what I call mine. I'm like, I like a chunky lip liner where I just make the upper lip a little chunkier than usual. People are like, why you want to make your lips like that big? And I'm like, it's not big. They're just a little chunky today.
Yeah. Oh, I live.
We did it, you guys. It took long enough, but we finally got her in my winning look.
This is your winning look.
It is my winning look.
So cool.
It is what got me here.
I loved your look, and so obviously everyone else did because it was them that voted. Like it wasn't even me who chose.
Which thank you guys so much. Everyone who's on that page voting for me, all my friends who shouted me out, put me on their page. Oh my God, you guys know who you are. My friend Avery literally posting me like every day. Aww. You guys are everything. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this because
it was so much fun.
Him.
No, honestly, this was so much fun. I was so happy that you even suggested me doing like this, like recreating your look on me. I was like, oh, that's everything. Like that's fucking everything. So I thought like this would be really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I love doing stuff with my subscribers and followers, and if I can give back to you guys in any way, shape, or form, I do. And this was like a fun way to be able to like just give back to you guys and just show that I do care, and like I really, really want you guys to be part of my journey with me. And I just wanted to say I appreciate it. Do not forget to follow Eric on everything. I'll leave his socials down below, of course. Yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye. I love you. Mwah. Oh, that looks so good. Fuck. That's your phone. And here's my phone. Oh my God.
I'm not gonna just like keep bragging about myself, but I will.
But like, low-key, obviously,
I do mature skin very.
I was gonna call it Pussy Poppy Pink, but I was like, you know what? Let's just do Kaka instead.
You know what? We'll just go.
It is what it is.
Wanna know what I love? A group.
I'm a trade chaser.
I like a group of trade.
Oh, she's a group girl.
She's a crowd pleaser.
It's also so hot in LA right now. Like it's ridiculous.
She's a sweaty sister, honey.
A sweaty sister.
A sweaty sister.
You better add the double S, honey. Yes.
Now that's more lifted. That black is like
got me lifted
higher than the
ceiling. Yeah.
Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly. Now we're going to be packing queens because this is the eye.
You are the packing queen. Fudge packer over here.
I usually refer to them as my fat pussy lips, but we won't do that because this is a rated PG-13 channel.
It's an R channel sometimes, don't you worry.